So in this video, we will see that class variable example to understand the class variable in detail. So let's see. So let's understand a class variable by this example. Here, what we want whenever we create a object from employee class, like if I hired an employee to company, then I will create a class, employee class, a class object from this class. And whenever we create this class, so it will uh, it will increase the number of employee in this class. So let's executing this class. So it is left assignment at error. So let's see. Okay, it is equal to true, and here also equal to true. So what I am doing here, so it will its name, its age, and its left. Actually left is, if it is left, means it is lefting the company, so left is false. By default it is false because we are hiring him. That is why we are creating an object from this class. So when it falls, then increase the number of employee from 1. About salary, it is custom methods. About salary, his salary is this, and left class, then if it is lefting the class, so then self dot let left equal to true, and also decrease the number of employee with 1. So let execute it. Now I hired a person, Rohit. So I'm creating employee class Rohit from employee class. His name is Rohit. His age is 20, and his salary is 10 rupees, and it is left, or it is default. By default it's actually false. It's not left, it is we have hired him, that's why. So now see number of employee. So from employees, let's say number of employee. So this is 1. Now I hired Neha from employees. So creating a class employees, his name her name is Neha, and her age is 20, and its salary is 2 rupees. Now let's see employees population, number of employees. Now it is 2. So here you can see each object, for each object number of employees is common. So this is called class variable. So what is class variable? It is nothing but a variable which are common to every object created by this class, which are uncommon variable. So these name and this age, this left is uncommon. Like employee, number of employee, it is same for Rohit, and it will be same for Neha. Like here you can see Rohit dot number of employee. Now you can see it is returning 2 because she added one more employee. So here you can see for Neha and for Rohit, number of employee is common, but for but these name, age, and left are not common. So here you can see Rohit dot name is, so if his name is Rohit, these are uncommon, and Neha dot name is, its name is Neha. So these are uncommon variable, and these are common variable. Uncommon variable are called attribute, or you can call it instance variable, and a common variable to object are called class variable, not attribute variable or instance variable. Instance is you can say object. Instance of Rohit is instance of employee class. Neha is instance of employee class, and number of employees. So how we define? We are not defining in any method. It is actually belong to every class. Here you can pass anything. So this is how you define employee. You you define a class variable. So I think you understood what is class variable. So thanks for watching this video. See you in next one.